Hey, it's Chris from Schoen Roofing. We like to bring you videos about all things roof related, exterior, all the fun nitty gritty, and today we're on a great one. We are on a leak call, that a situation you're not going to see very often except in climates where you get shitty weather like us. 20 centimeters or 20 inches of snow. I think we got 20 inches. Yeah, we got about 2 feet in one evening, and next day was nice and warm, and ice dams. So it's a lot worse than I thought. Here's the icicle from the ice damming. It's a flat roof, it comes down and then goes up to another flat roof area. So this is kind of a little valley, works really well. And then you can see down here, the whole trough is full of ice, but as we come this way, it just gets thicker and thicker and thicker. And here we got ice probably 2 inches above the roof. So what's happening is that there's going to be an area where this roofing is not sealed to that drip edge, and the ice is going to back up, get under that. But you can see the icicles are just insane. So we're going to get up here, and it's actually not even that snowy up here. We got a lot of dry spots. It also looks like this. That downspout's got to be clogged. We're gonna do what we can to get as much ice and snow off of here and see what that looks like. You can see how insanely thick this ice is. It's a good inch or 2 inches above the roof line, which is very uncommon to see in an ice dam, and it's completely solid. So we're gonna chip away at this, get as much out as we possibly can. So I have it down below the roof level now, and immediately water is now dripping down and over. So just taking some of this ice out, we are going to alleviate the back pressure in the water trying to work its way back into the dome. So we have that ice dam broken down to the trough, a little bit into the trough. So I can even hear it melting now. It seems to be doing a lot better. Across here is still completely frozen. And then I'm like, oh man, I wonder if these are solid. So coming over here, that is a frozen ice block, and you can see all the ice forming on the outside. So this is solid all the way. So we're just gonna follow it, and this is where they have it draining out. It's a solid block. It goes into the ground. Yeah, it's full of ice. So when we get, hopefully in the springtime, we'll set up a heat trace line for this so this never happens again. I was thinking at first it was the slope of the trough was off, but looking at it, it's definitely coming down here to the right. It's just that this water has nowhere to go once it tries to get off the roof. Thank you so much for watching. please enjoy our videos as we do our best to bring you stuff from the awesome world of roofing. All right, take care. Till next time.